What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about how reading is keeping you poor. Now, before I go into the depth of this video, I do want to preface everything in saying that reading won't make you poor in general, but if you do focus on only reading, only consuming, you will get poor. And if this is all you watch in the video, you've watched the entire video. With that said, let's dive right into it. So, reading is keeping you poor. I know it's a very controversial thing to say because the average individual after high school has only read 2 books per year. And that alone, that statistic alone, is mind-boggling. Most people that I know, actually specifically in my life, they haven't even read 1 book since graduating high school. So why is reading keeping you poor? Are the people who are not reading like super affluent and super rich? Well, absolutely not. But the reason why reading is keeping you poor is because most people who discover the world of reading, all these books, all these minds, all this mindset, they consume everything. They go Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Tony Robbins, Patrick Bet-David, guys who write all these books, Joe Verde, they're reading, concept over concept over concept, how to strategize, how to do this, how to do that. But then what happens? Nothing. It just stays at the back of their mind. They stay at the regular job, getting paid 9 to 5, when they realize that they need to leverage their money to have a business. They need to leverage their money to make the money. That is what keeps you poor. A lot of people are success zombies. They go to all these events in the United States. They go all these events here in Canada, networking. After 2 to 3 years, they're still in the same position. Why is that? Well, the reason is because they just love the dopamine of consuming. They feel like they're doing something. Oh my gosh, Miko, I went to this event. I met this person. This is fantastic. But what do afterwards? I started a business. I have an LLC. I'm doing this now. Fantastic. 3 years later, what are you doing? I started another LLC. Just consuming. Success zombies. Always wanting the next thing. When you don't focus on becoming consistent on what you do and what you bring to the table, you stay poor. And that is the reason why reading keeps you poor. With that being said, the inverse of this is not reading will also keep you poor. It's about reading the right books at the right time in your life. Reading won't specifically make you rich, but if there are things that you can pick out of that book that will change your mindset, obviously you're changing the trajectory of your life to a better position in life. If you're reading, and when that happens, you're going to be put in a position where your life 3 years ago is going to be the same life that you're at today and in 3 more years. So you just basically spend your entire life doing the same thing over and over again. And how can you call that a life? And that's the reason why I believe that reading will keep you poor and the lack of reading will also keep you poor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share it to 2 people if you found value. Make sure you check out these 2 videos here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.